Zone also seems to be a good counter to be looking out on the buying side. It is about to break its bullish flag pattern. A decisive close about 65 with a stop loss at 61 may see the price rally till above 75. So that's all from the technical side. Now I forward the call to the derivative. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah, yeah, thank you. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as you witnessed, that the market is gaining the strength again. Currently, the support is continuously being holded as for on the last month of trading session. In last 30 days, we have seen that the many negative updates came in the market, but Nifty managed to hold the support of the downside towards the 24,500 level. So base is very strong currently. As per the OI portion, also we are seeing that there is some sort of a call right position addition on the upside between 25,200 and 300 strike. So the clearance of 25,200 to 250 is very much important. The closing about that will gain new fresh buying position in the Nifty to be created. Currently, in the yesterday's session, we have seen that there was some sort of a liquidation from the call rate between the range of 25,000 and 24,900 level. 25,000 strike is being continuously getting a hold rate from the call rate front. But in yesterday's session, there was some sort of a liquidation. This is a positive sign. At 25,000 strike, we are also seeing that the PCR is trading at the higher level above one. So there is a fresh buying in the market. Currently, the positive sign which take place in yesterday's session was from the India VIX. India VIX cooled off sharply and came close near 13.5 level. This is a stable rate. So once if Nifty manages to give close about 25,250 level, then there will be a fresh breakout in the market which will take Nifty down upside towards the 25,500 to 800 level. So currently hold the long portion. The intraday support for the Nifty is at 24,900 level. Once the 24,900 level gets broken out on intraday front, then only there will be some sort of pressure, or else the buying will be continued in today's day of trading session. Also we are seeing that the gift Nifty gap of gift Nifty is likely to open almost around 100 points. So we are expecting Nifty to open around 25,150 points. So on the possible outbreak, we will see that in the first half, the Nifty is likely to take some resistance near 25,200 level. But if any dips come near 25,050, 25,100 level, then the carry forward buying can be witnessed in today's day of trading session. While on the stock specific front, LTF, LTF, Indus Tower, Titagar, and Keynes look positive, while on the negative front, KPIT, Oil, and NTPC looks negative. So that's it from Reddit front. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. Couple of updates from the pharma companies. Curatic Biologics, which is a wholly owned step-down subsidiary of Aurobindo Pharma, has obtained marketing authorization from the UK's Medicine and Healthcare Products Regulatory Agency for Dirupeg. It's a pegylated filgrastim biosimilar version. In April 2025, it had received the marketing authorization from the European Union for the same drug. Further, this is the third approval from the UK's regulatory agency. So overall, this is positive for the company, with this company is trading at around 14 times to FY27 EPS. JB Chemicals has received US FDA approval for an ANDA of amitriptyline hydrochloride tablets. This is indicated for the relief of symptoms of depression. So this is positive for the company. The company is trading at around 30 times to FY27 EPS. Thank you.
Good morning. Today, HDB Financial Services IPO is opening. Its bidding date is from 25th June to 27th June. Its price band range from 700 and to 740. The public issue consists of offer of sale of 10,000 crores and fresh issue of 2,500 crores. HDB Financial Services is the seventh largest leading diversified retail focused NBFC in India in terms of the size of total gross loan book of 1,068 billion. The company is categorized as an upper layer NBFC by RBI. Their lending products are offered through three business verticals: enterprise lending, asset finance, and consumer finance. They began their journey in 2007 as a subsidiary of HDFC Bank Limited. HDB have a total of 19.2 million customers. We compare HDB with Bajaj Finance and also with other vehicle MSME consumer finances like Chola and M&M Finance. The HDB's asset quality is superior to peers on the back of its strong ownership and management pedigree. Its loan growth has been in line with peers over last 3 years. Thus, HDB has managed to deliver ROA in the range of between 2 to 3% over last 3 years. Post IPO, the ROA will be 2%. This is below the peer average of 3.2% and Bajaj Finance 5%. Although we believe that HDB should be valued a substantial discount to Bajaj Finance, its superior percentage and asset quality performance leads us to believe that it is attractively valued from a long-term perspective upon comparing with the Chola, which has an ROA of 2.4% and is being valued at 5.5 times price to book value compared to HDB's 3.4 times price to book value. HDP's valuation is in line with the peer average, which provides us comfort. Therefore, we recommend subscribe to the issue with a long-term positive outlook. Thank you.
Good morning. On the news front, Hindalco Industries, through its subsidiaries, acquires Aluchem Companies Inc. for $125 million, marking its entry into the low soda tabular alumina segment. This acquisition provides Hindalco with a North American foothold and advanced manufacturing facilities, boosting its specialty alumina capacity and growing growth in high-tech sectors. The revenue for current year 24 of Aluchem was $66.4 million. This news is marginally positive for the company. On the IPO front, IPO of Sambhav Steel Tubes Limited is opening today. The total issue is of 540 crores, out of which 440 crores is a fresh issue and 100 crores is offered for sale. The proceeds from fresh issue will be utilized for prepayment or repayment of certain borrowings, which will be worth 390 crores, and the other funds will be used for general corporate purposes. About the company, Sambhav Steel Tubes is an Indian manufacturer of electric resistance welded steel pipes and structural tubes based in Raipur, Chhattisgarh. The company is fully integrated player with manufacturing capacity of sponge iron, captive power, mild steel, HR coil, and ERW pipe. It is one of the only two companies in India producing ERW pipes with narrow width hot roll coils. The company has delivered a strong growth with a 25% revenue CAGR from FY22 to 24 and a robust profitability driven by its integrated operations. This has enabled it to maintain a significantly higher EBITDA per ton of 7,000 compared to its peers who have EBITDA per ton of 2,500 to 3,000. In FY25, margins were impacted by falling steel prices due to Chinese dumping, bringing EBITDA per ton down to 5,346 for the period ended 31st December 24 versus 7,161 in FY24. However, with anti-dumping duties now in place, prices have begun to recover, likely aiding margin improvement. Despite a temporary dip in ROCE due to lower profitability and capex for expansion, returns are expected to revert to the historical 18 to 20% range as margins normalize and capacity utilization improves. The stock trades at 16.5 times FY25 EV by EBITDA, which is higher than the peers like Surya Roshni and Hariom Pipe. But looking at the benefit of expansion, we feel the share is offered at attractive valuation, and thus we recommend subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Yeah, one of the company is getting listed today, that is Aries Infra Solution Limited, basically supplying material from to the construction and building companies and sourcing it from the suppliers. They are also entering into the contract manufacturing with the manufacturers. We have not recommended this stock concerning the high working capital cycle of almost around 160 days, low margin, low ROCE on ROE, and also the valuations were looking very stretched. So we have not recommended this stock. That's all from us. Now I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So, in yesterday's session, we had witnessed gold, silver prices correcting, and today there might be a pullback. Gold can test 97,700, whereby again selling pressure could be witnessed. So, one can sell with a stop loss of 98,100, and on downside again 97,300, 97,000 other levels where one can book profits. Silver, one can expect a pullback till 1,600, 1,06,000, and one can initiate a sell with a stop loss of 1,07,000. On downside, again expecting prices to test 1,04,500, 1,04,000 on downside. If prices sustains below 1,04,000, then we might witness a further correction till 1,02,500. And in metals, copper, one can initiate a sell around 878, 879 levels with a strict stop loss of 883. So prices are consolidating from 883 to 872. So trading within this range is recommended. However, if prices are closing above 883, then one should witness a further rally in prices. And zinc, one can initiate a buy around 254 with a stop loss of 252. And upside, again expecting 256, 57 levels. And crude oil, there could be some pullback after 2 days of prices correction. One can expect a pullback till 56, 70, 5,700, whereby again selling pressure is expected. So sell with a stop loss of 57.80. And on downside again 5,500, 5,450 are the levels where one can expect prices to test. Wherein natural gas prices can test 300 levels, whereby a pullback is expected. So strictly buy with a stop loss of 290. And on upside again 315 are the levels where one should take profits and initiate a sell with a stop loss of 325. So that's it from us. Thank you very much.